check out this perfect view from your lanai. Look at the stoop here. Perfect place to sit and relax. Let's go inside and take a tour. Welcome home to 200 River Landing, Unit A102. This unit is completely move-in ready. Fresh paint, note the hardwood floors, so bright, lots and lots of natural light. All right, here we are. You can see the great room here. I'm going to continue through to the kitchen and then spin around. This dining area here is large enough for a full-size table. And then you can see that great room there, again with the big window taking in all those gorgeous views. Through this door here, we have a powder bath, new vanity there. You can see it's nice and convenient that that's downstairs. This door over here is the entrance to the building. This is a secured building. You can see the entrance here. Right down there where that orange wall is how you would get to the parking garage. You also have a storage unit there, which is so convenient. This complex features its own pool and workout facilities. All right, we're looking here at the kitchen. Granite counters, undermount sink, separate pantry. You can see the pressed tin backsplash there. Large cabinets with moldings, stainless steel appliances, and gas range. This unit has been completely upgraded. There are Nest thermometers, so many upgrades. All right, we'll continue through here. You can see the dual entrance is so convenient. You can take advantage of the off-street parking and or again, the garage parking. One more view here of the great room. All right, let's go upstairs. All right, as we come to the top of the stairs here, you can see right in front of me is the stacked washer dryer, convenient location upstairs with some additional storage. And then you can see the loft here. This is such a great use of space. So this 1 bedroom, 1.5 bath condo is 2 stories, but you have this additional loft space. Ideal for an office. You could even put a Murphy bed in here, additional storage, another den, maybe just a sitting area to accompany the master. You're gonna love the master bedroom. It is so spacious. Take a look at this. Huge room, and again, those big windows, lots of bright natural light. All right, we're gonna spin around here to the master bath. You can see all the closets in here, tons of storage. You can see separate tub and shower, all tiled in, and then of course we have a dual vanity here. All right, I'm gonna spin back around here. So again, you can see this master. Those big windows, beautiful view. We'll see that in a minute. First, let's check out the closet. The closet has been all redone with a full closet system. So you can see all the shelving in here. Really take advantage of this space. This is such a livable unit on an ideal location on Daniel Island. I mean, you're walking distance to all the shops, restaurants, marina, walking trails, so ideal. And again, let's check out this view. Isn't that beautiful? So expansive of the pond, and that green space, and nice and private too. All right, thanks so much for taking a tour with me. For additional information, please visit our website at www.riverlandingrealty.com or email me directly at julie@riverlandingrealty.com. Thanks so much. Have a great day.